ya nyoro. Once can be no just when you just when I see
Aku komla zwakatiza paipe vasinja nevauya canceling.
No canceling. Ndizondifana mama wangu. Vanozvigona. Ndinozotona mara. Vanogona
voice wakasini akadevura
Nyada kuti ndimona majekiseni amakanzi. Ndokune yes. Wanzwere maso. Majekiseni kwamakandiwa.
Majekiseni kwamakandiwa. DPH, PhD. Vasingagona kutaura ndi PhD here.
Yes, PhD.
Is it on record?
No.
It will be nice.
You don't know it.
Because you can erase.
No putika ngono it's a booby.
You can erase.
It's a booby trap.
It's a booby trap.
Is it a booby trap on top of another?
Yeah.
What's another?
Does the game a pee?
Maston, you wakavenga changirai manje wakuvenga alliance yana yubetenjo nana ningi nana makandi
ayo woski kusukira mangwana
yo Maston ndati wakavenga makandiwa na yubetenjo na magaya wakavengere
That's what their prophets will say. Because their spirit is going to attack them if they're doing it wrong. I'm saying no. That's that. A question on top of another.
Oh.
Ochangirai. Mamringi. Puppet Rudy.
Vakapatunyuka hobo jara wese nemapipi naprezi kujara jara naprezi yote mapipi wese vakapachinja nyika unopinga nazvo chete chete zvanga zvakuitika kozi muprofita wombanje ngasatauya sameno yokuna zvinge zvividzo charohwa nechishiri
Muprofita wombanje
Maston Google Maston weEzra utaronza meno kama unotaura zvakawandisa
Maston kanje.
Kondina vanhu vobva ndingatodzidza nezvangu.
No.
Boza mwana wapenda uchoro.
Maston is ancient and new history. Shuffling.
Neshua nezvakutaura.
I'm not more than sure than Martin Luther.
Martin Luther King. Martin Luther King.
Saka tokuisa mukategori ya Martin Luther King na Malcolm X.
Yeah.
I ask myself why not?
Why not?
Because I deserve it.
You deserve to be like Martin Luther King. Yeah.
I mean, I'm not like what you call legends don't die.
Legends don't die.
Why?
Their spirit lives forever to guide someone like me. I'll never run out of faith.
Okay.
don't fear death.
I'm just like the original Buru Bantan that cries without tears.
Buju Bantan.
Buru Bantan, not Buju Bantan.
Buru.
There's Buru Bantan, there's Buru Bantan, there's Mega Bantan, there's many Bantan.
There's Bantan.
Original.
It's a ton of Bantanas. You'll be having too many skills.
But wakaramba wakadaro katinogona kukanda mukati gora rinogona kutadza kupera.
Why are you saying like that? I don't steal anyone. I don't snitch. It will be taken. is king of treasure. It should be just taken as king's treasure.
Saka, you don't steal, what do you do? No become a scones, no become a...
I don't steal, it will be just taken as king's treasure. That's that.
Saka, how do you survive?
I survive like just anyone else, but my powers, I'm just like different.
Ne mare makeke.
If you put yourself into my shoes, you can never walk from bed.
On the platform show you.
You can't move it. It's tag and inscripted.
Nazi you platform show you.
The platform rockstone, Maston type.
Maston type.
Rapper type. Customer. It's yet to be customized. Where is it? It's under oath.
Maston.
Very soon I'll be using a 3D printer just to make a shoe like this.
3D printer.
Prints in 3 dimensions, angles. You make anything.
Oh.
Technology is 10 the future. If you're not educated enough, you're not allowed to know so.
Yeah. You're not allowed to know why.
So you never go so.
You never go so.
Go so. Go so.
Maston. I would have made a fine.
If you ever know how happy I am to be from Zimbabwe, the finest flower of civilization, for Maston and said so. Chodza salute, brother toss. Make a plan.
Make a plan.
Yeah. Before that plan, before that booby trap catches you, you must make another booby trap for that booby trap to be another booby trap of the booby trap.
It's a
riddle on top of another. If you can't riddle it, will be inscripted in a tag and material.
Saka, so all of us we should be thankful that we are born lucky to be Zimbabweans.
You can say that again because our parents, if they die, they turn to birds. That's what I know.
He says it. Oh, Saka, my South Africans are going to say.
My South African. We as South Africans, we use our habits.
What's our hobbies?
You can buy our habits.
What's that?
How to keep it.
What's that? What's your hobby? Masandawana.
Chikwambo.
Oh.
Karamba.
That's a habit.
Karamba.
Those is no shot is gonna keep. The king decided to keep it in South Africa just to make it safe. Secret killing, all the booby traps, and the like.
Saka, all of those believe what one is South Africa no shine such come.
If you don't have faith, you can't live in South Africa. If you don't have faith, you can't live in South Africa.
Oh. No sure. But what you want to talk earlier on you? In South Africa they have dry bath.
That's the way part. That's the way part.
You don't know how
I don't bath every day. That's why I'm getting inscripted. I'm getting right.
dry bath in where I get to see.
God, you can only move and there's no brown. I don't know a blind Magumbo in Soro for Kamo Buddha. I don't know so young. I don't know about you. wapinda mutauni unongo wasara kuti panozoda tawakwira lift hamasona anenge asvika wega atopukuta bhuza apinda mutauni flyover kwira kombi gogogo ipakambani awapotswa newiska so ni Masona uwe neshamwari yake tujonye tutono chae wamendera nechinde bazo vanozonigofera zvirizo tsvage mwe munhu anabhomeni anoita anochena zvoita ndizonyara andiwa
Alright.
should be tagged and inscripted to do so and to go so.
To go so. Say, alright. Say what? Wakaone bucket. South Africa. On bottles out to Zimbabwe.
You'll be bathing a lot of water because some of us will live in the shacks.
How got my shakes?
I'm talking on behalf of the majority
of South Africans.
Yeah, houses are being built here and there, but the country has got too many cultures in it. Too many shapes.
Yeah. About no BMW in a shake.
You be tagged and inscripted. You want to live like so, but if you get in town, you can find a room in Faka Beach.
Because what we there go save.
That's the way we talk. We're South Africa. No stop talking bones of our town, right?
How much get a bones, but no sweet to talk about bones.
When you need bones, I'm tagging inscripted. The time will come, bones will die.
Papak station, Moeta say, Kana Zimbabwe.
Papak station?
Yeah.
When you arrive in South Africa, going to Cape Town, you have to roam around in the park station. You don't have to go out, especially if you don't know so.
You don't know so,
if you go out, they will snatch you because they will calculate your heart, your toes, your skin. You see, the country is ravaged by the king's hobbies.
King's hobbies mean
the people live like they eat nice food. They have everything.
Right. Saka wakaenda papark station ningi mapatsa ako anotogona kutotengwa utoripo emiri wako.
Park station yakasangana zvinhu zvakawanda. Park station in a train station, subway. In a taxi rank pamusoro, in a bus station pass.
Yeah.
So if you don't know how to move so you get lost like white.
Apa kana usikagona kutaura cheikoko unotumirwa kampani.
Kana usikagona kutaura cheikoko unongochimbobudire chiko imomo. Unotengeswa zvikwambo, the market une zvese. Zvese tagged and inscripted everywhere. My flyers and things was zvikwambo. It's just like that. In the train station, in the bus station. When I was around in South Africa, you think I'm lying. My flyers, if you want your ex-lover to come back again.
Oh, I don't my paper, I Park station.
Get a Park station, JT. All over South Africa.
Saga, we take up. Saka na chendo South Africa, naenda wenda South Africa.
Bobuzo kama mwani, chindirizo kama.
Saka waziza ndure kuota zvi pesa. Oh, that's why I tell us what oh, alright, boys, don't got to
Big up Maston, sir. Original Maston.
Yeah, big up Maston. I see some just Maston.
Big up Maston.
We select the one that I'm thinking of to take it to our next level. We have to slow at the devil. Inindo faraka, uchikuonaka, uchinyemwerera, uchisekerera, parino dokaka, ndinokumbundira kapfuura pane varume vanosara vachifaraka ini ndofaraka ndichikuonaka uchinyemwerera uchisekerera Keep on recording because I want the CD.
You want the CD?
Vamos a Maston. Joshua, vamos a Maston.
Don't get it up because it's a conversation. You are destroying my image. You're destroying it. You are destroying
Maston. You want back on freestyle?
I was walking in the street, looking so neat with my drop top, looking mad eyes to eye. Pull up on a stoplight, there was a cute girl looking at me. She said, Maston, can I have a ride with you, slide with you, and spend some time with you? So I said, come on in, girl, you ain't got a thing to lose. What did I do to deserve a girl like you? What did I say for you to come my way? Open a face to find out good girl someday. Hey, hey. Maston! Paka wembira man.
Maston anabira fine.
Oh, we know this person.
Sakano kona kutoimba kai. Kwenda wasikani studio.
Maston is big himself. The studio because I hate Paris. I hate Paris. I'm a man of my own term.
Yeah.
No, you hate Paris.
I'm someone who just can make one show just to make everyone happy.
Yeah. Wakaipa. Auna kamwe futhi. Because about to talk to the album ngapha Maston. Takuda album yesi.
Album na Maston. Album na Maston ulapha ni instrumental.
Awa atungorwati ma freestyle kana 30 seconds nje ma freestyle kana. Tozinyatso pinza mu studio unyatsozwa rowa man.
God bana ka introduction ngitoro wa music yao.
Okay.
Andy.
I want to introduce you yakwa. Uzandwini.
Kwenda futhi.
That's the taste of Maston.
Music no be.
Webiro music yao.
Oh, it's like you know too much. This CD will be played to my own oath. If I see or hear anyone with this inscription, it's got every right to remain silent because it's my property. Why I say so? It's inscripted.
Yeah.
Toto Soludo brother do.
Maston anabira fine. Wakanyore masong sa.
If you rehearse a song, you forget everything. Start singing just from the sing of go.
Oh. Saka tada upedza ka video aona hama neshamwa dzaoda kumhorise.
You want to greet yourself? I want to greet myself. I want to greet Maston, you see. Maston is still a baby. My quest is to redeem Maston from being a human being. Tijita mapipi. Goso.
Goso.
Cut.
All right, Abu.